It's really quick. Like you have big gears with an aluminum drive shaft, with a tune, with boost, and now we've introduced this, and it's basically like all of that power, all those mods, I just get them faster now.
What's up, everyone? Today we're looking at Billco Collette's 2014 Roush RS Mustang. One of about 400 made. It's a V6 with a bolt-on pro-charged gutted and running on E85. It shows 470 horsepower on a dyno and goes 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds. It has 410 gears, some of the largest you can buy. He designed it for dig racing and branded it as the car you can build on minimum wage. And we just installed a pedal commander. Let's get to it.
Wanna go Sport Plus?
We'll start with Sport just to see what happens.
And then you can do 1, 2, or you leave it at 0.
Let's do Sport 4, see what that's like.
Okay, all right, then we are set.
That's it.
Go ahead, ready?
That's pretty quick.
Yeah,
That's
just
pretty
a little bit. We still got Sport Plus mode.
Got those 410 gears on there, I can use them now.
So as you can see, it's just stacking well with the stuff you already have.
Exactly.
It's just giving you your vehicle's power quicker than you had it before.
3, 2, 1. It's a lot for a V6 Mustang.
And it's instant. I mean, how long did it take us to get here? A couple minutes. The longest part was waiting for your ECU to shut down.
Yeah, that was really fast.
Instant power without really any consequences.
Let's put it this way, like I have a little street tuner, it takes me longer just to implement that or add in that tune than it did for you guys to install the whole system.
Are you ready to try Sport Plus?
Yeah, let's do it for sure, yeah, of course.
Okay, Sport Plus, and we'll go plus 4.
Let's do this.
All right, let's go.
It's crazy because like literally when I first got into modifying cars, when I first modified my first Mustang, my question to the guy that was working on it, because the first big mod I did was exhaust, I said, how do I make that response time faster from when I hit the gas? And he said, you can't. And I was like, not even with the tuner thing. He's like, you can't. And I was really annoyed with that. I was like, there's really no way. He's like, no, the only way to do it is to buy like an older car that's like a drive-by-wire or whatever.
And that was what everyone was having, that same irritation, that same issue.
Oh my god, it's so quick.
That's why Pedal Commander is created. That's why it's here. It's for that electronic throttle lag that is just there now.
That's
Makes
crazy.
you feel like it's a drive-by-wire vehicle.
Alright, we're gonna do Burnout this time.
Okay.
It's quick. It's really quick. Like you have big gears with an aluminum drive shaft, with a tune, with boost, and now we've introduced this, and it's basically like all of that power, all those mods, I just get them faster now. Every time we've done this, like it's been like a kind of a gradual. So like, I'm just trying to see, like this is first gear 4,000 RPM, so you have maximum torque, and I'm not even pushing the gas, I'm just like resting my foot on it.
To retrain yourself. That's what we always say, is retrain yourself to your sensitivity, because also this is the most sensitive you're going to have where you like it for your day-to-day.
Yeah.
And that's, you're going to train yourself to that sensitivity.
Right.
And then, you know, every once in a while, pull these modes out.
I can do donuts pretty good, so no worries. But we're definitely gonna
I'm testing it.
Told you I was pretty good at that.
Oh, it smells like Good Life now.
Yeah.
That was a very smooth donut. Like riding the teacups at Disneyland.
What'd you think?
I gotta say, I didn't think this was possible because I told you guys when I came in, I designed a car for dig racing. I did big gears, I did the tuning and the data logging process. I boosted a lightweight vehicle, and all of that was to just make it quick off the line. And you guys have a device that you put in my car in less than 60 seconds that is making me quicker off the line, if that's even possible. And like, I know a lot of people told me not to do this gear ratio with boost because I'd spin tires. And even more people, that are using Pedal Commander are like, maybe that, won't work out. But let this be proof that you can literally go drag race size gears and not necessarily spin out of control. You can keep it in a straight line and you can put down the power, and I'm sure with some sticky tires will hook even more. But I didn't even know this was possible. I had to have at least 6 or 7 of my car friends get one to convince me that it was possible. And even some of the bigger automotive influencers or some guys that I work with that said, Pedal Commander, who are they? We've never heard of them. There were a lot of doubts, and I had to try it for myself because even I was like not sure if this would work in tandem with all the mods that I have on this car, and it seems like it totally does. It has nothing to do with the mods, like you guys said. It's the communication between you hitting the gas and the ECU. So before your mods even get to touch what happens, the Pedal Commander is coming into play there.
Nice. So, what would you tell others that don't know about it yet?
I would say if you drive a vehicle and you either want to go quicker or if you want to save gas, this could be something you could put on your car as a first mod. I usually, when people ask me all the time, like, I'm getting into building my car, what do I get first? Wheels, tires, suspension, intake, what is it? I could safely say Pedal Commander because it literally applies to any car. And I also wanted to be clear that like this doesn't change the horsepower on your car. It doesn't change any of the power numbers or anything like that. All it's doing is communicating information faster from when your brain is trying to tell the car to go when the car actually goes. And when you shave that down to fractions of a second, it makes a noticeable difference. If you drive a Mustang and you mod your Mustang, take it from another Mustang owner, this is definitely for you.